Hi guys, it's Ariel Gray and welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right in today as we're making purple shampoo out of icing. Yes, you heard me, icing that you'd use for cake. I recently became allergic to the purple shampoo I used to use, and this is a good alternative for me. I haven't had a reaction to this recipe at all, but you want to use at least 1 teaspoon of whatever icing you can get your hands on. Now you're going to want to add 5 teaspoons of whatever shampoo you use. This is the one that I use for my curly hair. This is going to help dilute the hyperpigmentation of the frosting. This is what's going to keep your hair from getting stained purple. And you can use any shampoo for this step. This step is optional if you have any developer lying around level 30 or 20. Go ahead and throw in a teaspoon of this product. This is going to help speed up the process of getting the brassiness out of your newly bleached hair. Here's what your bowl should look like right before mixing. Now please use a regular dye brush or a plastic fork to mix this. Using metal with dye, even if it's frosting or actual purple dye, will cause the dye to oxidize, giving you a completely different color than what you wanted. Now this is what your homemade purple icing shampoo should look like. Make sure that all the bleach is out of your hair before starting to apply this. This is proof that I'm actually using the product that I made, and I'm using a brush so that I don't stain my hands at all with this product. With most purple shampoos, if you hold the product in your hands or on your hair for too long, it can stain. Make sure to leave this product in your hair for at least 3 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. Now this is the final result. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like, follow, maybe even share. I'll be posting more soon.